The video opens with a lone Russian tank rumbling down an empty road. From the eye of a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone, we watch as the massive vehicle unknowingly comes under surveillance. The silence of the battlefield quickly turns into tension as Ukraine prepares its first FPV drone strike. Within moments, the drone dives with precision and slams into the target, triggering a powerful explosion. Flames erupt, and the once formidable tank is reduced to a burning wreck, leaving nothing but smoldering debris. But this is just the beginning. What you are about to witness is a series of jaw-dropping FPV drone strikes that showcase Ukraine's growing dominance on the battlefield, taking out Russian tanks one by one in spectacular fashion. The first action begins with a Russian tank equipped with an electronic warfare system moving past another tank. From the eyes of a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone, its movements are tracked closely. Without hesitation, Ukrainian forces launch two FPV drone strikes. The first drone dives with precision, hitting the target and causing a small explosion. Moments later, the second drone follows, landing another accurate strike that damages the tank despite its electronic warfare protection. The next target is a Russian turtle tank sitting exposed in an open field. From the view of a Ukrainian drone carrying a cumulative projectile, it appears the tank had likely struck a mine, leaving its tracks destroyed and immobilizing it. The first drone slams into the vehicle, followed by a second drone aimed precisely at a weak spot, the gap between the added metal armor. The strike hits perfectly, sparking a fire that engulfs the tank. Within moments, thick black smoke rises as the vehicle burns to the ground. In the next footage, Ukrainian drones locked onto yet another Russian turtle tank, this time already deserted by its crew and stranded in the open field. From above, the surveillance drone tracked every detail, waiting for the perfect moment. Without delay, an FPV drone was launched, diving straight into the open hatch of the tank. The impact triggered a massive explosion, sending flames and smoke into the sky. Within moments, the turtle tank was engulfed in fire, its heavy armor turning into nothing more than a burning wreck. Soon after, a massive Russian convoy comes into view. Ukrainian forces waste no time and launch FPV drones straight at the advancing tanks. The lead vehicle is struck with deadly precision and grinds to a halt. Even with strong electronic jamming, the drones cut through and find their mark, leaving the convoy exposed. Wave after wave of FPV drones slam into the Russian vehicles. One drone pierces the engine, igniting a fierce blaze inside. Another tank is destroyed moments later. The last vehicle makes a desperate attempt to flee, but an FPV drone chases it down and delivers the finishing strike. In under 15 minutes, what was once a $12 million armored column is reduced to nothing more than burning scrap metal. Ukrainian FPV drones then zeroed in on a camouflaged Russian tank near Krinky. Despite being hidden under cover, it was spotted by reconnaissance drones keeping watch from above. Without hesitation, Ukrainian forces launched an FPV strike. The drone dove straight into the target, breaking through its defenses. Moments later, thick smoke began to rise as the camouflaged vehicle turned into another burning wreck on the battlefield. Next, reports came from Ukraine's 28th Separate Mechanized Brigade, which managed to destroy a heavily protected Russian tank. While the footage of the strike itself is not available, it was revealed that the brigade needed nearly 60 FPV drones to finally bring it down. The tank was equipped with advanced protection systems, making it extremely difficult to find a weak point. On top of that, it carried powerful electronic warfare equipment, further complicating every attempt to disable it. This time, Ukrainian forces once again targeted a Russian turtle tank near Zaporizhzhia. The footage shows an FPV drone striking the side of the tank, sending smoke pouring out. Moments later, a second drone dives into the front, delivering another powerful hit. While the final moments of the turtle tank are unclear, the attack did not end there. Ukrainian drones also managed to take out a Russian BMP-3, adding yet another blow to Moscow's armored fleet. Still around the Zaporizhzhia region, a Russian armored convoy became an easy target for Ukraine's FPV drones. In this sequence, we can see how precisely the Ukrainian operators executed their attack, halting the advance of the convoy. Within minutes, 2 tanks and 2 armored fighting vehicles were struck with deadly accuracy, turning the powerful formation into wreckage on the battlefield. The next footage, captured from the laptop of Ukrainian operators coordinating with FPV drone units, shows a mission near the left bank of Kherson. In this clip, a Russian T-72B3 tank is targeted with pinpoint accuracy. The Ukrainian drone closes in, striking with deadly precision and destroying the vehicle in a single decisive blow. Next, the actions of Ukraine's 92nd Assault Brigade near Bakhmut were nothing short of spectacular. Their target was a Russian T-72B3 tank that had already been disabled by a mine. Seizing the opportunity, Ukrainian operators launched an FPV drone directly at the stranded vehicle. Within moments, the strike turned the tank into a massive fireball, lighting up the battlefield like fireworks in the night. The closing scene comes from the reconnaissance and strike crews of Ukraine's 129th Separate Mechanized Brigade. Their drones detected a Russian T-80 tank concealed among the trees, hoping to remain unnoticed. But within moments, the Ukrainian operators coordinated a precise strike. An FPV drone sped toward the target and hit with devastating accuracy, igniting the armored giant. Flames and smoke poured from the wreck as the crew abandoned all hope. What was once a frontline weapon valued at more than $2 million was reduced to nothing more than twisted, smoldering metal. This final strike highlights once again how Ukrainian drone tactics continue to turn Russia's most expensive machines into piles of scrap in just seconds. Russia, once regarded as the land power with the largest armored force in Europe, now finds its mighty war machines falling one by one to drones that cost only a fraction of a single shell. What was meant to symbolize strength has instead become a reminder of vulnerability. Each strike by Ukrainian FPV drones not only destroys a vehicle, but also chips away at Russia's image of invincibility. According to Ukraine's Ministry of Defense, Moscow has already lost more than 11,000 tanks since the beginning of the full-scale invasion. Numbers that once seemed unthinkable now tell the story of a military giant brought to its knees, not by massive armies, but by small, relentless machines guided with precision. And as the war drags on, each new piece of footage serves as a stark reminder. In modern battlefields, innovation and adaptability can turn the tide far more than sheer numbers or heavy armor.